At Martin Interconnect Services, we take great pride in providing quality products that can be depended on during critical times and allow nothing to come between you and that time to unwind. Since 1996, Martin Interconnect Services has been committed to being a valuable partner in providing our customers with high-quality electrical wiring assemblies that meet their specific needs and comply to the industry standards in each of their diverse markets. Through our continued investment in equipment, technology, process improvements, and our employees, Martin Interconnect Services has established a firm foundation to support our pillars of strength. Diversity. Our success lies in our differences. Martin Interconnect Services prides itself on its diverse workforce. A diverse workforce provides a variety of perspectives. These differing perspectives can be beneficial and spur creativity. Diversity in the workforce also improves hiring results and generates a culture of acceptance and unity. Accountability. Our goals are reached as a team. Accountability at Martin Interconnect is about being a member of a team. Every team member is critical to achieving the goals of the organization. Thus, everyone is valued as a critical member of the team. We share in the performance of the organization, both the successes and the failures. Integrity. Doing the right thing every time. Integrity is taking ownership of the role each team member plays in the success of the organization. Doing right by your vendors, customers, and each other. This is to be reflected by each member of the management team and the operators alike. Commitment to each other, to our customers, to excellence. At Martin Interconnect, we are committed to one another. We strive to foster a team culture in order to meet the goals of our organization and exceed the goals of our customers. Quality, never compromising. We have a standard of quality that must be met by each employee. That standard will not and cannot be compromised by anyone. Dedication, taking pride in what we do. We approach each day knowing that we are producing product that can be relied on by our customers and the general public. Our customers place faith in us to provide a service and a product that can be counted on to perform. We are dedicated to meet those expectations and take pride in what we do. To become a valued partner for our customers, we view the following as our pillars of strength: quality built products, superior customer service, and competitive pricing. Martin Interconnect Services has become an industry leader through continued investment in equipment, technology, process improvements, and our employees, while holding true to our core values.